Welcome to Salt City for the finals of the Down.
Racers, take your mark!
Doesn't say you can ride.
Yay, mate! Take a squeeze at this! Back off! Oh, nasty!
Can I see your license? Can I see your license?
I call that down under. That's a boom! I haven't learned of you! Reaper!
Down.
Now, Emma! That's gonna hurt!
Pull over, buddy. Hey, wait.
Take a squeeze at this! Remarkable! Tackle that down under.
Fantastic. First place.
Nice job, riders, on completing the Downhill Domination World Cup Championship. Super job.